Hello, Manila! I'll be coming at Manila to all my fans. We will be having a great time at Araneta Coliseum. So don't miss the show and buy your tickets now. Mahal ko kayo. Hello mga sisi! Oh my gosh, I'm very happy and magkahalong saya at excitement. Paano ba naman dahil makaka-attend na ako ng Coachella Day 3. Sad to say, just because I'm very busy in itong past few days, hindi ako naka-attend ng Coachella Day 1 and Day 2. But yung Day 3, hindi na natin ito papalagpasan. And of course, kailangan, as a content creator, so kailangan hindi tayo magpakabog. So ngayon, hindi naman nagmamayabang, but I just want to share lang naman. Bumala ako today ng aking outfit from Prada. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. And of course, meron din, look, from Chanel. And of course, from Louis Vuitton. I know, alam ko excited na kayo, so let's try it. Anyway, gusto ko magpasalamat sa aking OOTD for today. Very mahinhin tayo. But, sa Coachella Day 3, hindi tayo magpapakabuguti ko. So, ito na. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know that all are very excited. How about this one? Siyempre, kailangan natin. You know what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, let's try the top. OMG, look at my top. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm princess. Oh my gosh. And now I'm so excited not to wear my pangbaba. So let's go. Oh my gosh, look at my outfit. Grabe, so sexy, diba? Oh, saan ka dyan? But of course, para to complete it, of course, meron tayong boots from Chanel. Pagkakaguluhan ka talaga. Tapos, sasabihin, bawal ang baliw, charis. And now, ayan, may tumatawag, may naniningil. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So gorgeous. I love it. Kailangan nating pang malakasang belt. Oh my gosh, I love it. OMG! Oh my gosh, wait a moment. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Oh my gosh, you're so sexy! Coachella Day 3! And of course, to complete it, of course, kailangan may accessories. I love it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Very love it. And of course, to complete that, ito na, take mo. Tada! Oh my gosh, very Rihanna. Pwede mo naman ako tinutin. Ate ko! Very Rihanna! Saan ka dyan? Umbrella, Ella, but of course, to complete that. Sino ka ngayon, ate ko? I love it. Very Coachella Day 3. Mga sisi. Oh my gosh. And of course, to complete that, of course, hindi mo ako mapayag kung walang aking bestie. Bamanas! And of course, with Penelope. Oh my gosh. Ngayon ka magyabang, ate ko. Oh. Ngayon kayo magyabang. Coachella! Hello mga sisi! Today is Mother's Day. We are celebrating Mother's Day. Kaya before we start this simple vlog, babatiin ko muna lahat ng mga mother out there, yung ina mo na nanonood, ina nyong lahat. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day po. At saka nakakatawa kasi kung di nyo itatanong, majority ng nanonood sa mga vlogs ko, ang sumasapart sa akin, ay mga ina. Kaya talagang mga ina kayo talaga. Okay, just because this is a special day, of course, kailangan nating mag-effort ng outfit. Diba? Kasi we are celebrating Mother's Day nga ni. So, syempre mag-start muna tayo sa hair. Kasi tignan nyo naman ate ko, parang this past few days, I'm very pagod. So, nada-dry na siya. So, let's start with my hair. Let's go. Look at my hair, mga sisi. Oh my gosh. Grabe, di ba? Parang engkantada lang, di ba? Parang cast ng engkantada, di ba? Parang reyna ng mga kahoy. Okay, of course, nagpakulot tayo kasi parang bagay yung kulot ngayong Mother's Day. Tsaka naniniwala ako na parang nasa kulot yung forever. Okay, let's start na with my skirt. Let's go! Oh my gosh, mga sisi, look at my skirt. Oh my gosh, the skirt is skirting. Ano raw? Oh, look at this, grabe. Parang si Eva. Eva the Explorer. So pretty. This skirt is very detailed. The manga is very the pula. Okay, so now let's move on naman tayo to my top. Let's go. OMG, mga sisi ko, look at my top. Oh, wait lang. Grabe, so pretty. At tignan nyo sa likod, very detailed. Right, di ba? Kung ako talaga si Eva, grabe, yung ahas ang matutokso talaga, mga ate ko. Tignan mo naman kasi, face guard ate ko. Kapag nakita nyo ko in person, nako, baka banatan nyo ko. Charis. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So, let's move on naman tayo sa aking shoes. Kasi I'm very excited now for my shoes. OMG, mga sisi, look at my shoes. It's so unkabogable. The shoes is very shoosable. OMG, very creative, very professional. Ay, sa mga nagtatanong po, all of these things po ay galing sa aming bakuran. Kasi nakakatira kami sa kagubatan. Ha! Charis. Okay, oh my gosh. Ang ganda, no? Paano kaya, no? Kunyari, lalabas ako, mamamalengke, tapos dating suot ko, no? Siguro binugbog ako, te. Okay, so to complete this very creative outfit, of course, kailangan natin ng pangmalakasang. Ayan, Belle, wait a moment. Ayun, uuho. Ayan na, there you go. Wait a moment, tignan sa salamin. Ayan, ate ko. Ay, ate ko. Ang bagong Rosalinda na magpapaibig sa mga kalalakihan. Oh my gosh. So, this is my final look for Mother's Day. Bakit nga ba ganito? Kasi with the name itself, Mother's Day, Mother's Nature. Oh my gosh, very creative. And of course, to all our mothers po dyan, once again, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. You know what? Ang pagiging ina as a single mom of 2 kids, grabe. Ang hirap talaga. Pero, you know, we are doing our best talaga to be the best mom. Kaya, naiyak ako. Kaya sa lahat ng mga mothers out there, once again, happy Mother's Day po. I love you all. That's all. I love you.
Hello mga sisi! Today is June 27 and guess what? Makikisa kami sa Pride March! And I'm so excited kasi this is my first time na makikiisa sa Pride March and also this is my first time na pupunta ng UP. And also, ito rin yung first time ko na lalabas na in character. So, let's go from this to this. Oh my gosh. And now, on the way na kami sa UP. And look at my outfit. Hawak na rin to. Outfit check. Oh my gosh. Tadan! And together with me, tadan! Kaway-kaway ka naman dyan. Hiyang-hiya. Okay, so let's go. Vamonas!